Estimating machining cycle time and cost is a complex and lengthy process. The very first activity is to identify the faces that are to be machined and faces that have to be kept as cast. Based on the casting process, the machining allowance and operation sequences changes a lot. When the cost of material for casting can be benchmarked by your customer, the cost of machining become an important factor for your proposal consideration. Being a foundry expert, you can maintain the material cost to the best of customers' interest, but the cost of machining needs to be very well estimated to ensure success of the complete working. VRIDDI can help you in accurate estimating machining cost much faster. We are able to save almost 90% of estimation time, with over 85% of accurate recognition of machining faces of casting. VRIDDI has a unique algorithm working, which help foundries in estimation of machining cost irrespective of the casting process, be it sand casting, investment casting, or die casting process. The same concept works even for forged components, hence we call this as preform input condition of material. Just maintain a proper algorithm for machine and material select right work input conditions, and let the magic of VRIDDI work. Complex of castings with over 5,000 plus features are analyzed in matter of minutes, and you have the estimation ready with number of setup approach and individual operations in each setup. VRIDDI is completely flexible and allows you to modify the setup as well as individual operations as per your will. VRIDDI is much faster than any CAM-based estimation process, and with validation it can be as accurate as your CAM output. Ask for a demo session and your 14 days trial version today.